If you're a Bhutanese student or new to Perth, Australia, and feeling overwhelmed by the idea of renting your first home, don't worry, you're in the right place. Renting can seem intimidating at first, but today, I'll guide you step by step through everything you need to know to find and rent a place you can call home. Let's get started. What do I need to rent without a rental history? As a new renter, you might not have a rental history, and that's okay. Start with these essentials: proof of identity, like your passport and visa, proof of income, such as bank statements, scholarship letters, or pay slips if you're working part-time, and references. These can be character references from a teacher, mentor, or employer who can vouch for your reliability. Another helpful tip is to write a short letter to introduce yourself to landlords. Explain your situation and emphasize your commitment to being a responsible tenant. This can go a long way in building trust. Next, let's talk about finding a property. Start with affordable options like shared accommodations or smaller apartments. Websites like realestate.com.au, Domain, and Flatmates are great for searching listings. Don't forget to check local Bhutanese community Facebook groups. They often have leads tailored to students. Applying for a rental. Once you find a property, the next step is the application. Fill out all required details and include supporting documents, like your ID, proof of income, and references. Be honest about your situation and, if possible, offer extra assurance by paying a larger bond or some rent up front. Setting up gas and electricity accounts. For electricity in Western Australia, Synergy is the main provider. For gas, you can choose Clean Heat or Alinta Energy. Visit their websites or call their customer service to set up your account. Make sure to have your new address, ID, and move-in date handy. Now, let's break down the lease agreement. Pay close attention to the lease duration. It could be fixed term, like 12 months, or periodic, which is more flexible but may cost more. Clarify your responsibilities as a tenant, like keeping the property clean and reporting damages, and make sure you understand the landlord's responsibilities, like handling major repairs. Also, check the notice period for ending the lease. It's usually 30 days but can vary. Read everything carefully before signing. Moving in. Congratulations! First, complete the condition report. This is your chance to document the property's state before you settle in. Take photos of any existing damages to avoid disputes later. Next, arrange for utilities and internet if they're not already included. If you're finding these steps helpful, make sure to share this video with a friend who might need it. Finally, here are some tips specifically for Bhutanese students. Shared housing is a great way to save costs and feel supported. Reach out to local Bhutanese communities for leads on rentals and advice. Learn your rights as a tenant by visiting Consumer Protection WA, and always be cautious of scams. Verify every listing before paying any money. Want a downloadable version of this checklist? Head to the description for the link. It's my free gift to you. And there you have it, a complete guide to renting your first home in Perth, Australia. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. If you found this video